So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to view media and files on Messenger. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the Messenger app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the inbox of your Messenger. Now tap on message icon available here, then tap on person's name which is available on the top left corner of your screen. So tap here, then scroll down below, then you will see the option of view media, files and links. So tap on it and see, you will find your media here like this. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.